Hey everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm gonna be unboxing my new iPhone and setting it up, and also doing a little what's on my iPhone. I have been waiting for September just for the new iPhone to come out because my Face ID has been broke since like literally January. I didn't want to spend money to fix it, and I didn't want to spend money for the iPhone 15 when I knew the 16 was going to be coming out. Every single time I get on my phone, I have to type in the passcode, or I go on like my banking app or something, I gotta type in the passcode. I'm just really happy to have the Face ID back. And also my brother-in-law got the iPhone 15 and his camera quality is so good compared to my current iPhone 13 Pro. So I'm really excited to see like what the camera quality is gonna be like, especially since my job is like taking pictures, taking videos. I hope you guys enjoy. If you're thinking about getting the new iPhone, I'm gonna show you guys, give you my thoughts, compare it to my old iPhone, which is iPhone 13 Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do. If you'd like to see more videos like this on my channel, comment below what your favorite app is on your phone. Like it can be a game, it could be an editing app. Just comment below what your favorite app is. If you don't have a favorite app, comment your favorite song or your favorite Apple product. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at emilygrace.26. It really helps me out and I would really appreciate it. And let's just get into it. Here is the box. I did open it. I got a package from UPS and I was 90% sure it was my phone. This doesn't really look like it's from Apple, so I just wanted to like double check that it was my phone. Let's open it up anyways, even though it's already kind of open. Here it is. I'm so excited. The white, I forgot what it's called, like silver white titanium. I almost got the desert titanium, which is kind of like a gold color. I think I've like always had a white iPhone and I just like the white iPhone. I just like the white, the clean look. A phone is something you obviously use every day, so I was like white is just kind of a safe choice. I'm not gonna get sick of it. I'll probably have this for the next few years at least. Let's take it out of the box. Here it is, the actual specs. I'll have them here on the screen. iPhone 16 Pro, 512 gig, white titanium. Let's unbox it. I'm just gonna pull this little tab. Here we go. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, wait, why did it open like this? This is kind of weird. This is not weird. Why does it open like that? This is like bugging me so much. Oh, it's because I didn't pull the other tab. Okay, kind of like ruined the opening up experience. Oh my gosh, here it is. Oh. Not me almost dropping it like the second I open it. This is why I can't get a cute case. Here it is. My first thoughts, I feel like it doesn't really look or feel much different than my iPhone 13. Silver, it's like kind of like a matte finish on the silver on the side versus this like a shiny finish. I'll do like a comparison. I feel like they really don't look or feel a ton different. Let's peel this off. Oh my gosh, so satisfying. Really quickly, let me show you guys what's in the box. Literally just a cord. I do know the newer phones use a different charger. You can still use the same boxes. Yeah, we just have this cord. That's all that's in the box. No stickers. Let's turn it on. I think I'm the most excited about the Face ID. Hello iPhone 16 Pro. Let's set it up. I don't have a case for it yet, so we're just gonna try not to drop it. English, United States. Choose how you would like text and icons to look on the phone. Quick start. Oh, it's looking for nearby devices. Enter iPhone passcode for setup. Hold up your iPhone to the camera. Use your Apple ID to set up your new iPhone. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Activating my eSIM and connecting iPhone to cellular network. It just says that it's being transferred. Time to set up the Face ID. Transfer your data. Download your data from your temporary iCloud storage or directly from your phone. I guess I'll just do iCloud. Signing in. Action button. Press and hold to turn on silent mode and on and off. You can also customize action button to open camera, turn on flashlight, or access. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yes, customize right now. So I'll probably do camera because that's like what I use the most. Camera control. Click camera control to open a camera app, then click again to use camera control as shutter. Oh, this is a different one. Okay, there's a whole nother button just for the camera. So maybe I shouldn't have made that one the camera. Okay, so this button, you just click it and you can make it be any of those things I just showed. But then this button is all for like the camera. Maybe I'll just make that one be silent mode. It's turning on, it's turning on. This might take a minute because I think it's still kind of transferring all my data. It just turned on. Let's unlock. Oh wow, it just unlocked because of the Face ID. Hold on, I gotta do that again. That alone was worth it. I really just want to see the camera. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, it's really HD. You can see the reflection in my eye. Normally the front camera is like kind of blurry. My new iPhone is on and working. I just need to get everything transferred. I kind of want to like reorganize my phone and kind of change the way I have all my apps organized, because really it's not very organized right now. I'm gonna kind of work on that, and then I'll do a little what's on my iPhone tour. Once I get it kind of organized a little bit better and have it be a little bit cuter, I also need to go to Best Buy and get a case and a screen protector. I don't really want to like carry this around or use it until I get a case. It is the next day. My iPhone is all set up. Everything is transferred. I'm actually surprised with how quickly everything transferred over. Here is the new phone, the iPhone 16 Pro. I'm literally obsessed already. My first impressions, it's not crazy different from my iPhone 13 Pro. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro, this iPhone 16 Pro. It's not like anything too crazy, like, wow, this phone is totally different. The new buttons are definitely really nice. I haven't really used them a ton in the last less than 24 hours. I kind of just forget they're there, but having this button where you can click and it just goes to your camera is super nice. You can kind of like zoom in and zoom out. You kind of have to like touch it just the right way for it to work. Once I get the hang of it, I think it'll be a really nice feature. And then you can actually click it. You can kind of change what you're going to be kind of like dialing on the side. Instead of zooming in and zooming out, you can change the exposure or other settings as well. I feel like I'm kind of getting the hang of it, but I think that button is going to be so convenient. The little buttons are really nice. The Face ID actually working is really nice. I do feel like the camera quality is a big difference. I noticed the front camera more than the back camera. Front camera looks like the back camera on this phone. So I'm mostly noticing the front camera quality. I haven't really taken a lot of pictures with it yet. Those are kind of my thoughts, my first impression. As you guys saw, I got a case for this. I went to Best Buy and I got just this plain clear case. They didn't really have a lot of options since the phone just came out. I did order this case from Casetify. It's not coming until October. I dropped my phone a ton. With this phone being so expensive, I didn't want to not have a case on it. Had to get a case. I just went with this clear OtterBox. It's pretty slim and it's just clear, so it's just like a basic case, but it is protective if I drop it. I also got a screen protector, and I'm gonna show you what's on my iPhone. Kind of completely reorganized it and redid it, and I think it's so cute. I'm literally obsessed. Starting off with the lock screen, I just have this kind of collage that I made. I made this in a recent vlog. I'll link it here if you guys want to check it out. It's kind of like an early fall kind of collage. I like to just pull pictures from Pinterest and kind of collage them together, and I like to make a new one every couple months or so when the season changes. Up at the top we have kind of just the default. Underneath I added some widget. I have like the weather. I really like having the weather on here. I feel like I'm always checking like, oh, what temperature is it? Like, do I need a jacket? I don't have to actually open the weather app to see what the weather is. I also put the sunset on there. I feel like with filming, I try to get all my filming done before the sun sets. And then also my battery. Literally love these little widgets. If you don't have them on your lock screen, I highly recommend. There's so many that you can pick from. Here is the first page. The background is just like this gradient screen from Pinterest. I just wanted something kind of colorful, but not too colorful. Up at the top, we have my Pinterest board. I thought this would be super cute to just kind of put at the top. I love scrolling on Pinterest, and it just kind of makes the screen look really cute to have like some pictures. Usually there's 3. I don't know why there's 2. And then under that, I have the monthly view of the calendar. I just feel like that's kind of nice to have on the screen. Next to that, I have my most used folder apps, kind of like all the folders being together, and then the apps that aren't in folders together. Under that, I just have a Pinterest, another Pinterest picture. I feel like it just makes the screen look cute to kind of have Pinterest pictures. And this is my fall Pinterest board, so it's just gonna be like all fall pictures, and then I'll kind of switch it out seasonally. Next to that, I just have my most used apps that aren't in a folder. Okay, and then on the bottom, you can see I have phone, photos, and messages. I feel like these apps I click on the most, so I just have them there at the bottom. I'd love to know what apps you have on the bottom, because as I was organizing this, I couldn't decide. That's kind of the layout of the first screen. I'll just kind of show you guys what's in the folders. I like to title the folders with just like a little emoji, just very simple, and it looks kind of cute on the screen. For this first one, I have just like a little bubble, like social media kind of app. So I just have a little bubble communicating social. Instagram, email, TikTok, Snapchat. I don't really use Snapchat, but sometimes I'll send my sister life updates, Snapchat, YouTube, Safari, GroupMe, Facebook Messenger, Spotify, which isn't really social media. I don't really have a lot of music apps, so I just kind of threw it in here. The ones I don't really use, I have on the second page: X, Threads, Hinge, TimeHop, and FaceTime. Next to that, I have kind of like all my admin work type apps. I just have a little note emoji like I'm working. YouTube Studio, which is for like checking analytics, my management app, those like all my brand partnerships, Lightroom to edit my pictures. I pretty much edit all my pictures on Lightroom. I do have some more editing apps, which I'll show later. I pretty much just edit everything through Lightroom, put it in here because these are like my most used app. And then CapCut, Like to Know It Creator, which you can use to kind of like link everything. TikTok Studio, this app which I had to download for something. I'm not actually sure what it's even called. Magic Links, LinkedIn, Zoom, this to-do list app that my dad was telling me about. Skeepers for like gifted partnerships and stuff like that, like Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets. And then I have all my finance, like money type apps, US Bank, PayPal, Venmo, Bank of America, Capital One, Rocket Money. Rocket Money is so good. Literally love Rocket Money if you're looking for a good way to budget. It's seriously so good. This is just to pay my rent, Edward Jones for my retirement, and then a tip calculator. Okay, I'm not gonna go through all these, but this is just like all of the apps that kind of come with your phone. I'll kind of have the most used ones on the first page of the folder, and then the less used ones, and then the ones I really don't use too much. So I think that's everything for the first page. Here is the second page. I think this one is super cute. I literally just love how this looks and how it's organized. Here at the top, I have a Bible verse of the day. It's just from the Bible app, and you can put like a verse of the day, which I really love. It changes every day based on the verse of the day. So you're gonna get a new Bible verse and see a new Bible verse every day just by having that on your screen. And then we have another Pinterest board. I just feel like it makes the screen look really aesthetic and cute. This isn't one of my boards, this is just like my home feed. And then I just have this to-do list. I need to actually use these to-do lists more. When I realized you can make it as a widget, I was like, wait, I need to actually use these. Usually I just type a little to-do list in my notes app, but this one you can actually like click it off. Like you can check it off and then it'll just disappear. So I'm gonna actually start using these because then I can just have it on my screen, and I just kind of have all the rest of my apps in folders on the bottom of the screen. I feel like if I go through every single app, it's just gonna take forever. So I'm just gonna kind of skim through these. The first folder is just all of my streaming apps. Netflix, Hulu, Peacock, anything like TV related. Expo games, these are just a bunch of random games. I didn't even go through this folder. I do love playing Candy Crush if I'm just like watching TV or something. Travel, so just like some airlines, Uber, the Out of the Office app, and Disney. Gotta have the Disney app if you're going to Disney. Just some like home related apps, some apps that I use for my smart plugs, like a printer app, Ring, Alexa, I don't wanna set her off. Local grocery stores app, because I use the pharmacy, and then my Kia app for my car. My food folder, don't judge, because these are obviously all my favorites if I have their apps downloaded, but they're almost all burgers, which is why I made the emoji a burger. Yelp, Five Guys, Jimmy John's, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Burger King. I also have Shake Shack on the next one. I didn't order these. I was actually gonna order them and put like similar ones together. Auntie Anne's, Starbucks, Crumble Cookie. This is just like a local place that has acai bowls. Shake Shack, Panera, Olive Garden, Chipotle, AMC. And then shopping, little shopping bag emoji. Amazon, Poshmark, Shop. I think it's just called Shop, but you can like track your packages. Target, Princess Polly. I love the Princess Polly app. I'm always scrolling on there and adding stuff to my wish list. Sephora, Skims. Skims has a reward program now, and I think you get extra points if you use the app. American Eagle, Brandy Melville, Urban Outfitters, Bath & Body Works, Williams Sonoma, Warby Parker, Forever 21. And then I just added my Cricut apps to here. These are kind of just random apps that didn't really fit into categories. They're kind of reading related. So I just put a little book emoji. The Bible, Audible, Duolingo, and my church app to like track attendance. Like you go in there and put that you're there for like attendance, and it kind of shows you like upcoming events and stuff. I just forget to do it when I go to church. That's why it wasn't downloaded. This last one is all of my other kind of like camera and editing related apps. I don't really use these ones too much because I usually just use Lightroom. I do sometimes use these ones. This Camera Connect, which if I take any pictures on my G7X, you can just send them straight to your phone with this app. Epic, their tool for like removing things out of pictures is better than Lightroom one. Facetune, Layout, Lens Buddy, Scout, Preview. I don't really use a lot of those apps actually. That is everything that's on my iPhone and how I customized it and organized it. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this iPhone 16 Pro unboxing, what's on my iPhone, and found it helpful if you're considering buying a new iPhone, or even if you're just looking to kind of reorganize and revamp your current phone. Definitely thumbs up if you did. Comment below your favorite app that you have on your phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video, and I will see you in a couple days for our next one. Bye.